good? What was that, yogurt? Mmm. Shannon, was that good? Mmm.
Peekaboo, I see you. Where's Shanna? There she is. One more? Genevieve and Kathy attach faux lasting natural Okay, right? How many pillows? We have 500 pillows. Sure.
Shanna, kiss your sister. Kaylee, kiss Shanna.
Kaylee, give Shanna a hug.
Shanna.
One more?
All right. I got the leaves candy green. I've got my brush green now.
Who wants
I
more?
don't use too much. It's a little.
No, but I think
Good girl.
Today is November 11th. Oh my God, November 11th.
Yesterday.
Yesterday, November 10th, was supposed to be their original due date, 11/10. It is now 11/11. It was supposed to be 1 year old as of yesterday. But as you know, these babies are very advanced. They're like little baby geniuses. And they're already 14 months, right?
Yeah.
You guys are 14 months old now. What does that mean, Kaylee? Shanna, can you pick yourself up when you fall down? Shanna. Hey, Shanna, last time we had you on video, you couldn't stand up by yourself.
Really?
Yeah. Can you do it now? Without helping yourself up from anything? Here, let me see that. Here, come here. Kaylee, what are you doing? Kaylee, does that taste good? Shannon, what are you doing over there? Hi. Hi, Kaylee.
Thank you. You want more?
Kaylee, can you say bubby? Bubby. What was that, Kaylee? Bubby. You looking for a picture of Bubby? Where's the picture of Bubby? Who's that? You know who that is? Is that Bubby? How do you say Grandma's name, Kaylee? Bubby. Can you say it for the camera?
Shanny, one more?
Can you say it for Daddy? I want to show Bubby this film. Bubby. Hey, Shanna. Thank you. Can I have that? Thank you. Can you get up yourself? We're all watching. Come on. Let's see. You want this? Oh, you're such a liar.
Drama. You gotta pull that whole thing down, Kaylee.
Come on, Shanna, let's get up.
You want some more? Want yogurt?
Here we go. On the feet. Come on, let's get up.
Come on.
Oh, cheater.
How do you stand up?
Can't have any yogurt unless you stand up.
More? No? Bubby? Kaylee, you want more?
Shanna, we all want to see you stand up. That's what we've been waiting for. Don't use the table, that's cheating. Hey. Woohoo! Woohoo! I see you. Good girl. All right. Yee. All right, we're gonna go to the park today. You guys ready? All right, we'll see you later.
Wow, look where we are. That first step they can't get up really. Wow. I can't believe how cold it is. Is this fun?
Kaylee. Kaylee.
Listen, Mommy, go first, and then I'll help you through. Mommy fit through there, you think?
No. Where'd Mommy go? Where did Mommy go? Come on. Go get Mommy. Go get Mommy. Go ahead.
Woman here.
Woohoo. Look who's there.
Hi.
Shanna's going.
Come on.
Go ahead, Shanna. Go ahead.
Are there any other openings over there they can
No.
go out of? Hi. Hi.
Come on.
Kaylee.
Let's go, Kaylee. Come on, we're going to get Mommy. Come on. Come on. Let's go get Mommy. Come on. Come on. Let's go get Mommy.
Oh, don't push her. You okay, Kaylee? Watch your head. Whoa! Kaylee's nose is really running.
You gonna slip and slide down the thing? I'll go and catch him, all right?
Yeah.
All right.
More.
You want to go back in?
Your little hands are freezing.
Go ahead. Let's go back up.
You want to swing?
Let's go.
This looks like your size thing. Woo, they're doing it. Their little hands must be so cold.
Go, Kaylee, go.
Okay, ready? I have to get down. I want to see one more. Shanna, you want to get down? What do you want to do?
Kaylee.
Up. Okay. Where do you want to go? This way. Whee! It's too cold, I think.
Whee!
Who loves going on the swings? Yay! Hi. Hi.
Wow, you guys like the swings, huh? This is your favorite?
Woo!
Kaylee. Kaylee.
Dance, dance. Woo-hoo. Woo.
Kaylee, Santa.
Oh, looks so cute even though they're sick. Aww. Who looks so pretty?
Should be a nice picture like this. Consistent.
Look.
Consistent.
Hey, ho, ho.
Give sister a hug.
Aww.
Kaylee always wants to give a hug.
Whee!
She knows the balls in there. Look at her.
Kaylee, say Merry Christmas.
Oh, wow.
Shut up. Shut up.
There's a ball in Kaylee?
Told you.
I didn't think she'd do that.
I told her I did that.
Practice late.
Huh?
Shut up. Shut up. Shut up.
Does everybody wave? Hi. Kaylee, say hi.
Kaylee.
Three cheers.
Look at her swing.
Watch her. All gone.
I got started with the Christmas tree.
All gone.
Shut up.
Here we go, Christmas 2000.
The red, white, and blue Christmas tree in honor of December the 11th.
Shut up. Sorry about that. Then the blue.
Here are the stars of the show.
Shut up. Shut up. Woo.
Kaylee, can you say
Three cheers
cookie?
to Shanna.
That was your first word, you know, cookie. And Shanna said, banana. That's her first
There we
word.
go.
Hold hands with sister.
Aw, give
Hold hands.
Kaylee a kiss.
Come here. Hold hands, Kaylee. Walk this way. Jim, get him down this way to walk. Here. Let them hold hands. Hold hands with sister. Kaylee, hold hands. Kaylee,
She doesn't feel that good, you know, so.
hold hands. Hold hands.
Aw, give Shanna a hug.
Hold hands.
Give Shanna a hug, Kaylee. Look at Kaylee's butt.
Here.
Look how the skirt pops out on Kaylee in the back.
It's great.
I know, but look at the butt.
Shut up. Shut up.
Santa! You're on Candy Camera.
Hi.
They're all gone. They're all gone.
You want to take some pictures?
Whoa.
Give her a ball. You want a ball? You put you through it, right?
Kaylee.
You got it, Kathleen? Kathleen, you got the baby?
Yes.
Where's Shanna? Where's Shanna? I don't know. I don't see her. Where is she?
Rainbows can be
There she is. Where's Kaylee? Is today January 6th?
Yeah.
2002. Here we go. You guys ready to exercise? Here we go. Ready? Go. Side to side.
Kaylee, you do it. Side to side.
Kaylee, what do you have that in your mouth for?
Why don't you record how Shanna cut her sister's piece in 20 years? Good?
Side to side. Ready? Stand up, sit down.
Yeah, you can do this one.
Wow, Kaylee, you're going all the way down. Sit down. Bubby, you ready, Shanna?
Ready.
You ready? Set. Go.
Stand up.
Stand up. Sit down. Woo. Stand up. Sit down. Sit down. Up. Sit down.
Stand up. Stand up.
Shanna, let me see your face. Oh no.
Puppy kiss. On the lips. Puppy rub kiss. Puppy kiss, maybe get that.
Shanna had a little accident the other day. She cut her eye. And she is the first cousin to get stitches. 7 of them. 3 on the inside, 4 on the outside. Don't cover it, Mom. Hopefully the scar won't be bad.
Add to my guilt.
We had a plastic surgeon do it, so hopefully he did a good job, and she's still a beautiful little girl anyway.
Stand on one leg.
Stand on one leg.
Can you stand on one leg, Shannon?
Sing again. Ready? Say it. Go. Jump, jump,
Jump.
jump, 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 jump,
Jump, jump, jump, jump.
jump,
Jump.
jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. What happened, Kaylee? You want to jump? Jump, 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 jump. Shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes. Kaylee,
Near the end, it's just ridiculous what she's doing.
Kaylee, can you do it? Up and nose, head, shoulders, knees and toes. That was great, Kaylee. Knees and toes, knees and toes. Now they're getting fast.
Let's get the shoulders. Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this crew.
I think this little girl is the cutest little girl. She's not even doing it anymore. Forget about it. I'm really bothered.
Goodbye. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Kaylee.
Do you know today is your birthday?
Yeah.
You know it's your birthday.
Oh, it is the
today?
6th. That's 16 months.
That's right.
Wow, you guys are getting big. What are you doing over there, Shanna?
And one.
Mustard. Big. Smaller.
Smaller. There you go. That's still too big. Oh, Mommy got it.
Big.
You gotta hold it.
Smaller. Get the egg.
Get the egg. Get the little orange. There you go. Knees and toes, knees and toes.
Head, shoulders,
Kaylee, give Bubby a kiss. Oh, that was nice.
What?
Hey.
What? I don't don't think so.
Gotta get the cookies.
Do you know the big round clown in the entrance hall?
Yeah.
Underneath the table?
Where, your house?
The other morning at my house?
Yeah.
She dragged it out.
Who?
I can barely pick that up. Kaylee,
Oh.
how strong is this child?
No muscle.
The first snow of the year. Oh shit, I turned off all the stuff.
What's that?
The display. I want to see the date and the time. Open screen. 8:04. Is that the right time? Wait a minute. I gotta reset the time. It's like 8:15 on January 6th. The girl's birthday. It's the first snow of the year. Look at these freaking flakes, man.
That's ridiculous. You know how much snow there's going to be on the ground by tomorrow?
You see our patio is completely covered. Kathleen's gonna be stuck here all by herself. I gotta go to work. Maybe not.
God! I've never seen snow like that in my life.
And we'll see you again.
It only started
later.
snowing about 1 minute ago, by the way. And look how much snow there is on the
Yeah,
ground.
it just started. But these are huge flakes. You can see the almost snowball size chunks coming down here.
This would be pouring rain, right? If it was
If it was warm.
This is the exact temperature for perfect snowballs.
Yeah.
Like 20 minutes.
Want to go out and have a fight?
Uh-huh.
All right. See you later. Run, Katie, run! Run, run! I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh, where's the ball? Don't lose the ball. Go, Katie, go!
Yeah.
Oops. That was nice, Shannon. Turn, turn, turn. Oh, don't go in the laundry room.
Everybody out. Let's go.
Hi.
Everybody out. Get out.
Can you get anything, Kaylee? What's in there, M&M's? Shanna, you want to get? Oh, don't shake it. It's going to fall on you. Hi. Where's the ball, Shanna? Where's Jack? Shanna, take that ball back from her. Why you let her take it from you? Go get the ball, Shanna. Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Go get the ball, Shanna. Shanna, get the ball. Shanna, where's the ball? I want to get you. I want to get you. I want to get you. Hurry up. I want to get you. Dance, dance, Shanna, dance. Dance. Woo-hoo-hoo. Dance, Katie, dance. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Oh no, hurry up. I'm gonna get you. Woohoo! Go, Kaylee, go, go, go! Jack! Where's Jack?
Yes, we're dealing with Shanna, because she'll wrap all the clothes very quickly. Go, go, go!
Go, go, go! Come on, run, run, run! Go, Shanna, go, get Kaylee! Get the ball from Kaylee, Shanna. Go take that ball back. Where's the ball, Shanna? Go get the ball. Go get the ball. Shanna, get the ball. Shanna, where's the ball? Shanna? Shanna? Come here. I want to get you. Get your foot out. Yeah, take the ball. Go, go, can you go? Oh. Where's the ball?
Katie, what's this?
Kaylee, what does Mommy got? Kaylee, what does Mommy got? What is it? Milky. All right. She drops hers because nothing in it. She steals Shannon.
Aww. Come on, Shannon, I give you fresh milk.
Uh-oh, the videotape is running out. We're going to have to reload. Say goodbye, Kaylee. 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 Say bye-bye. 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 Shanna, the tape's running out. You want to say bye?
Say
Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. She's like, where are you going? Don't leave.
Turn,
Turn, turn. Turn, Kaylee, turn, turn, turn. Go, Kaylee, go, go. Make the tape a good ending. Go, go, go. Oh, collision.
Give Kaylee a kiss.
Shanna, give Kaylee a kiss. Dance, Shanna, dance. Woo! Dance, baby, dance. Dance.
You think Looney?
Where's Looney? Shanna. Shanna, where's Looney? Shanna, where's Looney? Dance, baby, dance. Dance. Woo! La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's World. Where's Looney? There's Looney. Give Looney to Kaylee. Give Looney to Kaylee, Shanna. Give it to Kaylee. Go ahead, give it to Kaylee. You don't want to give it to Kaylee? Or you like Looney? Oh, you dropped your Milky. March, 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 march. Go, Katie, go, go! Where's the ball? Give it to Shanna. Go find Shanna and give her the ball, Kaylee.
Where's Shanna? She's in here in the theme room, Kaylee. Past her.
Go find Shanna and give her the ball, Kaylee. Go find Shanna and give her the ball.
Shanna's following you, you know. This is so funny. Shanna's behind you.
Go find Shanna and give her the ball, Kaylee.
Where's Shanna?
Where's Shanna?
Where's Shanna?
Go find Shanna and give her the ball.